Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making kefir. I'm sure some of you have seen this in the grocery stores and have always wondered what kefir is. Kefir, or kefir as they call it in Russia, is a fermented milk product that is rich in probiotics, minerals and vitamins. It contains a lot of great probiotics for your gut. It is healthy for you. It is another great way to consume fermented products. You can drink it as yogurt. You can also use it in baking and cooking. And so normally these are made from live grains which you can buy and keep and take care of at home. But if you don't have time to be able to do that, this is really very simple. And it really doesn't take that much time or effort to make. All that is needed is a small amount of already made kefir and milk product, whichever one you prefer. If you want full cream, you have kids at home that you want to fatten up some more, great. I use A2 milk, and this is the 2% reduced fat milk that I'm going to use in making my own kefir. I like to drink it. It is good for my gut health, and it is quite easy and simple to make. So here we go. To make this, I pre-sterilized my 64-ounce bottle. I'm gonna open this milk. This is so simple, it's unbelievable. Considering how much the cost in the store. I'm just gonna pour this in here. Next, all I need to do is to add some of this to the milk and mix it and leave it. You want to shake this for some of the probiotics settle to the bottom, so shake it really well. And you want to use plain unsweetened kefir or kefir. So now, all I'm going to do is to just pour about half a cup of the store-bought plain kefir. And I'll leave some space. The next thing is I'm going to tighten this up really well and then shake it. You can see I still have a little bit of space there just to get it mixed properly. And then all I do now is to open this back up and leave it on the counter, and then label it and leave it on the counter for about 24 to 72 hours, depending on the temperature of your house. It is summertime and it's a little warm, but also air conditioning is on. So that depends on how long it takes for it to ferment. The longer you leave it to ferment, the tangier it gets. You want to really start tasting it 24 hours after you started it to see whether it has reached the consistency or the strength that you want. It gets a little thicker than almost like a buttermilk texture, but I have this to last me for a few days. Now we're going to set this aside for 24 to 48 hours. After 48 hours, our kefir is ready, it's thickened up, and we're about to taste it. This is really how easy it is to make kefir or kefir. You just add a little bit of maybe half a cup of store-bought plain kefir into milk of your choice. This right here is the A2 2% reduced fat milk, and here is the store-bought plain kefir with live and active probiotics. So now we are going to do a taste test for both of them. First, I'm going to pour this in this cup. You first have to shake it to see how thick it is. And then right here, we'll see how thick. When you actually take a spoon and you see how it leaves a little bit of residue at the back of the spoon. This is plain, so you can drink it plain. You can add sweetener of your choice. You can add some granola. You can add some chia seed to make it however way you want. Let's taste. That's good. This is the store-bought. Now we are going to shake this, and then we're going to add some in this cup. Again, look at the consistency. It's much thicker. See how thick that is. But anyhow, we're going to pour it in here. Right thick. I'm going, look at the consistency. It is thick. I left this for 48 hours, and then this is really good. You can't tell the difference in as much as this is 2% reduced fat. And I'm sure this was made from just regular plain milk. The live active probiotic cultures that are here have like 25 to 30 billion CFU. Amazing. Can't taste the difference. You can go from here to here in no time. I would like to see you try this. Make your own. It's so easy. These are very expensive in the stores, and you can make a whole lot more for a fraction of the price of this. If this video has been of value to you, subscribe and hit that notification button so that we can alert you when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and God bless.